Now you'll notice that when we type Alt F1, we get a chart right on the worksheet. In previous versions of Excel, we could either create a chart on the worksheet or as its own chart sheet. Microsoft is trying to get away from that chart sheet concept, and so by default, all new charts are created right on the worksheet. It seems to be somewhat random where Excel puts the chart, generally in the center of your screen and generally about a quarter of the size of your screen. Very easy to move or resize the chart. To be safest, when you move the chart, you want to click on the border around the chart. Just click and drag. Now there are spots within this chart where you can click and successfully drag the chart. For example, if I click in the white space here and drag, I'll be able to move the chart. But 90% of the area in this chart is not clickable if you're trying to move the chart. So to be safe, click on the border in order to move the chart. If the chart's the wrong size for you, click on the border in one of the 8 resize handles and size appropriately. I find lots of times I need to create similar charts of the same data. It's very easy to copy a chart if you understand the one gotcha. You need to pretend like you're moving the chart. Click on the border and start to drag. After you've started to drag, hold down the Control key, and when you let go of the chart, you'll have an identical copy. I don't know why, but if you hold down the Control key before you click on the border, the copy doesn't work. It turns into a move. I'm sure it's a feature. I just haven't figured it out. Now you'll notice on the right-hand side of the ribbon, there's a button called Move Chart. You must wonder what the heck that button's for, because obviously it's very easy to move a chart around the current worksheet. That button is for moving a chart to a different worksheet. For example, if you're trying to build an executive dashboard and you've built charts on 7 backup sheets and you want to move them all to the summary sheet, you can use the Move Chart to do that. Make sure you have a chart selected. Click on Move Chart. Now we have an option to copy this chart as an object in another worksheet or the old legacy style where we can copy the chart to a brand new chart sheet is still available. If you click New Sheet and click OK, there it is, the old Excel 2003 style chart sheet. Okay, so that's it. Very easy to create charts. Remember Alt F1, select your data and type Alt F1, choose a new chart type, and then move or resize as necessary. I'll close this file.